manager will be available in all cabins for any questions or concerns you have regarding your flight with us. This time I'd like to extend a special welcome to our OnePass members. As a OnePass member, you'll be earning 4 mileage on your flight with us to Frankfurt. OnePass is our award-winning freedom flyer program. If you're not already a member and would like to enroll, you can have our website, continental.com. I'd like to direct your attention to the no smoking, fasten seatbelt sign. The no smoking sign will be on the entire flight. Smoking is not allowed anywhere on this aircraft at any time. When the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, the squealer on the indication is safe for you to leave your seat and move around the cabin. However, it is Continental policy that whenever you are seated, you need to keep your seatbelts fastened at all times in case we encounter unexpected turbulence. On this aircraft, there are lavatories throughout the cabin. The lavatories in our business first cabin hours are fully used by business first customers only. On duty set cruising out to this evening, we'll be serving dinner and complimentary beverages in all cabins. In our main cabin, beer can be purchased for $6, wine and cocktails for $7. And we do only accept credit cards, debit cards, Continental currency vouchers, and United vouchers. If you are paid with a Continental Airlines Chase, MasterCard, or debit card, you will receive a $2 discount. Once our meal service has been completed, we'll be conducting sales of our Continental collection, in-flight tax-free and duty-free shopping. There is a catalog at each seat, and once again we only accept major credit cards. Approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes prior to our arrival in Frankfurt, we serve breakfast. All we ask now is sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight with us to Frankfurt.